Christmas cards and decorating trees and all that, but I'm still not happy. I always end up feeling depressed.
Charlie Brown, you're the only person I know who can take a wonderful season like Christmas and turn it into a problem. Big Lucy's right. Of all the Charlie Browns in the world, you're the Charlie Browniest.